What's up everyone, welcome back to another video here on Fox Tech. Let's talk about the iPad and how you can go ahead and add the Google search bar on the home screen so you can perform Google searches much quicker than usual. Let's get started with this very easy process. First, you need to download the Google app if you haven't already. Open the App Store on your iPad and type Google into the search bar. Once you find the Google app, download and install it. This app is essential as it provides the widget we need for the home screen. After downloading the app, you'll want to enter home screen edit mode. To do this, press and hold anywhere on your home screen until the app icons start to shake. This signals that you're in the edit mode. Next, look for the plus icon in the upper left corner of your screen and tap on it. This will open the widget selection menu. In the widget selection menu, scroll through the options until you find the Google widgets. And there are two styles to choose from, a small square search widget or a larger search bar that includes voice search, Google Lens, and incognito mode options. Select the one that suits your needs best. Once you've chosen your widget, tap on it to add it to your home screen. You can drag and place it wherever you prefer, making sure it's in a convenient spot for quick access. This widget allows you to initiate a Google search with just a tap, bringing the Google search experience directly to your home screen. While you can't type directly into the widget like on some Android devices, this method still provides a quick and easy way to access Google search. Simply tap the widget and it will open the Google app ready for your query. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tricks. See you guys later.